This souvenir DVD celebrates the 40th birthday of Seaton Tramway and tells the story of one of the West Country's best-loved tourist features, which has survived and prospered against all odds. Despite frequent changes of location, fleet and size, Modern Electric Tramways Limited, the parent company of Seaton Tramway, has been providing a regular service since 1953. Today's tramway is only the latest stage in the development of a unique system, for the company was set up not to fulfill any particular demand for public transport, but rather as a tourist attraction and the culmination of one man's hobby.